Hello and welcome to the channel. Orcas, or better known as killer whales. Likely the most well-known sea mammal to most people, whether it's from popular movies like Free Willy or from SeaWorld, most people have some knowledge of the killer whale. But how much do you really know about this amazing animal? Today we're going to break down 5 interesting facts about the orca, and one of these facts will be fake. If you can spot which one of our facts is a fake before the reveal at the end of this video, let us know in the comments that you figured it out. So let's learn a little bit more about the orca. Fact number 1. Orcas eat up to 500 pounds of food per day. Killer whales, also called orcas, hunt everything from fish to walruses. They eat seals, sea lions, sea turtles, squid, penguins, other whales, and even sharks. Depending on where they are and what season they are currently in, their diets may vary. Some eat plenty of fish and squid, others eat mostly seals or penguins. Each pod can have its own specific food that they go after, and they may differ from other pods. Fact number 2. Orcas aren't actually whales at all. Despite being called killer whales, orcas are actually dolphins. In the past, sailors used to call orcas whale killers after witnessing them attacking other whales and marine animals. And over time, the name morphed into what we know today as the killer whale. While these large animals are apex predators that threaten fish and other mammals that live in the ocean, they haven't proven to be a danger to humans at all, unless kept in captivity. Fact number 3. Most males never leave their mothers. Based on over 36 years of data on orcas in the Pacific Northwest, researchers found that for males over 30, the death of their mother increased the likelihood of their death within a year by over 8 times. For female orcas, the death of a mother increased the likelihood of death by only 3 times. Killer whales stick with their mother their entire lives. Researchers believe that mothers likely help sons with foraging and offer protection in encounters with other males. The speculation is that mothers may spend more time focused and devoted to their sons because they actually add no additional burden to the family, as their children would leave the pod and stay with their mother. Fact number 4. Orcas have the second heaviest brain among marine mammals. A team of researchers explored the brain of a dead killer whale with an MRI and found they have an astounding potential for intelligence. Killer whales have the second biggest brain among all ocean mammals, weighing as much as 15 pounds. It's not clear whether they have the same amount of memory cells as humans, but scientists have found that they are amazingly well wired for sensing and analyzing their watery, three-dimensional environment. Scientists are trying to better understand how killer whales are able to learn social dialects, teach one another specialized methods of hunting, and then pass those behaviors on for generations and generations. One drawback of these massive brains is that while researchers have found no evidence of orcas in the wild ever killing a person, they're not surprised that the most powerful and possibly smartest predator, if kept in a tank for years and years, could in fact become fatal to humans through mental and emotional distress. Fact number 5. Orcas have a great sense of smell. While they primarily use echolocation and other senses to detect food and activity from long distances, they have a highly developed sense of smell. But unfortunately, they cannot detect these smells from long distances. Close-range smells will attract them, but for long-distance hunts, they must use echolocation to detect movement and vibrations to assist in locating prey. Now that we've blown your mind with these 5 interesting facts, were you able to spot which one was fake? Take a moment, give it some thought, and make your guess. I'll reveal the answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, If you guessed that they have a great sense of smell, then you were correct. Orcas actually do not have smelling organs or a lobe of the brain even dedicated to smelling, so researchers believe they may not be able to smell at all. They do, however, have great senses of sight and hearing, even better than dogs and bats. Using this excellent sense of hearing, killer whales practice echolocation. This means that killer whales produce sounds and then listen to the echoes. In this way, they can tell if objects or other animals are near or far, and just exactly how near or far they are. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, and a big shout out to all those who caught the fake before we revealed the answer. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and we'll see you guys next time.